Guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. Today's video is going to be products that I've been loving so far this year. These are just some random products that I've accumulated over the period of 8-9 months now, and I'm going to be sharing them with you guys one by one. It's a mix of skincare, some eatables, bags, a lot of these things. Now this is not going to be my 2024 favorites. Of course I'll do that by the end of the year, but these are just some of the products that I really want to talk about. So now without further ado, let's get started. Let me start off. So I'm going to push the skincare part later. Let me start off with some eating items, drinking items. I have two of these. First of all, I have these cold brew bags from Blue Tokai. These are expensive, guys, but these are so good. I have the variant Rich Plus Smooth. These are their color. Okay, this is going to take me a while to pronounce. Kaladevara Pura Estate. Kaladevara Pura Estate. Yes. So these are so good. They come in a pack of 5, and these entire one bag, I put it in a picture, lasts for like good 5 days in a week. So you know, it lasts you for a month. It is for 500 rupees, but I think it's so good because you get the authentic coffee taste and not like coffee में पानी मिला दिया और हो गया वाला feel, या फिर पानी में coffee मिला दिया वाला feel. I love iced Americano, if I have to say, and I really like flavored iced Americano, like vanilla, cranberry. These are like classic ones, so good. You can make your own brew at home, and this is the last one left in my entire month sachet. I kind of make it a bit more long lasting than I'm supposed to. I'm a little stingy that way, but I love these, and these are totally worth it. They also have hot brew bags, so you guys can check it out. I'll leave the link below. You can easily find them on Amazon. The next one is something that I randomly found. Like, I saw this random video where they said that to increase your metabolism and to lose weight, you should use lemon balm tea, which is kind of fascinating for me. And I just Googled it, and then I found this on Amazon. This is by the brand called Veda Yug, and these are 40 lemon balm tea bags. These are pure, non-bitter, natural taste, caffeine-free tea bags. Now, when they say non-bitter, I do not agree on it. These are bitter. The taste grows on you eventually. This is how the tea bag is. Very simple. It doesn't come with a string or something. You just have to put it directly into the cup. So I recently finished up my Taifu green tea, and I had this bag, so I've been consuming this. Love it. It's really good. Am I going to repurchase it? No, because I think like ये 40 खत्म होने के बाद ना मैं काफी satiate हो जाऊंगी इसके साथ. I'll go back to my favorite Taifu green tea. But guys, it does help with metabolism. If you're looking to get your hands on this one, you can. It's pretty affordable, 289 rupees, but I'm sure I got it for 250 rupees on Amazon. I'll leave the link below. But yeah, the taste is not good. It's not like your green tea taste. It's a bit bitter, but it's good. So yeah. Okay, so the next thing that I have is actually for Simba, my dog. He's a golden retriever, and this is a brand that, you know, I personally work with also, like apart from YouTube. Like, I take care of the social media, so it would be really helpful if you guys go ahead and follow this brand. And you can also make a purchase from this brand for their amazing spreads that they have for dogs. So we all love to, you know, give our dogs some treats, but treats that come with supplements and benefits, and that's exactly what this is. This is specifically an hip and joint spread. They also have skin coat spread. It's a creamy peanut butter spread, so good for your pets. And of course, I haven't tasted. I shouldn't taste it as well, but Simba loves it. I give it him on the lick mat, and then he licks it. He enjoys it. So, you know, he's busy with his activity also and getting some treat in return. So yeah, these are really good spreads. If you have a dog and you're looking for like peanut butter spreads for your dog, you guys can go ahead and get your hands on this one. Those were you know, food items sort of a thing. Now let's come to fashion. I have been loving the Soul Store collection. I think this year I purchased almost 7 to 8K worth, you know, products from them, and do teen hi cheezein. First of all, this very beautiful top that I'm wearing, it's got a heart cutout, and this is also from Soul Store. I'll leave the link below. It's so good. And they have this beautiful you know, denim color print block jacket. I'll insert a picture here. That is also so good. I've gotten so many compliments on that jacket whenever I wear it, so you guys can get your hands on those. I have been loving Soul Store clothes lately, and I'm probably gonna buy more because they are so comfy and cute and aesthetic. Just look at this top. So yeah, I will be leaving the links below. And another thing when it comes to fashion is we have a bag that I have been loving. You guys know my obsession with Zouk. Like, all of my office bags are Zouk. This bag is one of the recent launches, and it is like a, you know, a sling bag, a side bag. First of all, I love the aesthetic. I really like how they're you know, trying to integrate the modern cuteness with these beautiful prints, and this just gives it such a chic effect. It's so good, looks good. You can wear it regularly, you can wear it while, you know, going on trips. Comes with a side bag, a side belt as well, so it fits in literally everything and anything. Of course, I'll give you a tour of this bag, like a unboxing. But the belt, the quality of the belt is so good. You can adjust it. It's thick, just like how people are liking it right now. They do not like those thin, flimsy sort of a bag straps. So yeah, this is the bag strap that you get with it, and I have been loving these ones from Zouk. You can use my code. I'll leave the code over here to get extra off on Zouk's website. You guys know how much I love their bags, how much I've been using their bags. I actually have a matching bag of this print that I've currently using as well. So yeah, this is another favorite item that I've been loving a lot. I mean, Zouk bags are a blind purchase. You can go ahead and get it. It's not going to disappoint you. And I love how they're trying to integrate the modern aesthetics with these kind of their, you know, prints that they are all about. So yeah, this is my other favorite. Since we are on bags, if you guys follow me on my budget channel, you would know how much I have gotten questions on this holographic cash holder. This I will for sure leave the link below, so you guys can go ahead and get your hands on this one. This is super cute. You can keep your cash in here. You can keep it as a wallet or a pencil box, however you want. I know how much you guys have been bothering me for the link of this, so finally in this video I'll add the link. Now, before starting with our skincare items, this is another thing that I want to mention that I've been loving. These are affirmation flip through cards. This was actually gifted to me, but you guys can buy it online. I'll leave the link below. These are so positive affirmations. I'm just gonna breathe through them. These are so inspiring, so comforting. I flip it every day whenever I wake up. And yeah, these are from the brand called Humanhood, and you guys know how much I love such kind of things. So it's like, I affirm I can take care of my money and my money takes care of me. I affirm I'm becoming closer to my true self every day. These are so good. I affirm my behavior is aligned with my balanced state of mind. I affirm happiness is present in every thought that I have today. I affirm I'm comfortable being alone in my own company. These affirmations are so good. I'm currently on this page, and my today's affirmation is, I affirm I let go of the things that sit achingly out of my reach, which is so relatable right now. I really need to let go of certain things. So yeah, I have got this. You guys should definitely have something like this to add positivity in your life. Now let's get into the other items. First of all, you guys know how much I love Perfora toothbrushes. They were kind enough to send me my own customized name one. You can get it customized. They sent me this very pretty turquoise blue color, and I've been using it for like last 2-3 months. I was using the purple one before. So good. Love these you know, electric toothbrushes. They have changed my dental game, so highly recommend. Now everything that I have is skincare related. Let me just start one by one. First of all, I have this Minimalist Malic Bond Complex. Isme thoda sa hi bacha hai. Love this product. It is so good. I don't know why I didn't found it earlier. A Minimalist isn't a brand that I always, you know, look forward to. I haven't really been a Minimalist fan, but this product is so good from Minimalist. Really like it. So yeah, the Malic Bond Repair is something you can purchase blindly from Minimalist. Another item that I've been loving so much is the No Sebum Mineral Powder from Innisfree. This can be used as a dry shampoo, as a oil control powder. So good. I absolutely freaking love this one. I mean, I'm just waiting to repurchase it again and again because it's so freaking good. You can use it for your, you know, your hair. You can use it for controlling your T-zone oil. I do not have that much in my T-zone, so I use it as a dry shampoo. This just makes my hair so fresh instantly. It's actually way better than other dry shampoos available in the market, and so compact. For perfume, guys, I'm saving up to buy the full size of the Sol de Janeiro's Cheriosa 59. I have made a complete review of the complete set of the Sol de Janeiro set, so you guys can go ahead and check that review out. But you clearly know I love this scent so much. The full size one is for 4,000 rupees, so let's hope I end up getting that, but this is so good. Another face mask that I've been loving a lot, so a face mask that I've tried a lot and I really like it, is this Foxtails purple face mask. It's called their Skin Radiance mask. You can see how much I've used it. It's the Stunner Skin Radiance Cleans Pores, Reduces Blackheads, blah 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 mask. Really good. I love the fact that it doesn't dry out and make your skin all cracky. I've used it like 7 to 8 times now. Really like it. Pretty affordable, so it's a bang for your buck. For sunscreen, hands down, I have been loving the Beauty of Jussauer sunscreen. I had got it a couple of months back and I've been obsessed with it. Really good. I know it's pricey, but on Amazon, if you find it, you can find it for like as low as 800 rupees. So watch out for the sales. Then I have the Dermaco Snail Peptide 96 Hydrating Serum. Again, a beautiful serum. This is something that I use literally after shower as my first step in the morning. I've been using it for the last 5 months now. I've emptied out more than 4 bottles of this, and this one is also left this much. I have a backup as well. This is a really good product. Highly recommend you guys to get your hands on this one. Now lastly, I've just got 3 of my favorite serums that I've enjoyed this time. First of all, I have the Tony Moly Inkey Library Niacinamide Serum. I also had the Propolis Serum. These serums are so underrated and really good quality. So in case if you guys are interested in buying like some good quality serums at a budget, you can go ahead and get these ones from Tony Moly. A bit difficult to find, but like if you find it on Nykaa or Amazon, aapko mil jayenge. Then another one from One Thing, this is the Tangerine Serum. I don't know if you guys know, but I've mentioned this. This is one of the best vitamin C serums that has worked for me amazingly. So lightweight, so hydrating, it doesn't burn your skin, doesn't tingle. And I'm so glad that I had got to use the serum. I found it a little late. It's 80 ml, a huge bottle, lasts you forever, but I love this so much. And another serum that you cannot go wrong with, it's outrageously expensive. This is the Estee Lauder's Advanced Night Repair Serum. It's not that you will miss out on anything, but if you have the budget, if you want to buy like a feel-good serum that is going to do good to your skin also, you can get this one. It is with retinol as well, so it helps you with anti-aging. I have emptied out, this is my second bottle. I only buy it occasionally because this bottle costs 9,000 rupees, guys. This is their 30 ml bottle, and yes, this 30 ml bottle costs 9,000 rupees. So only buy this if you have the budget. Otherwise, you are not missing out on anything. The serum is good. Guys, those were my favorites so far. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I'll be doing this video again pretty soon by the end of 2024 to share you guys my 2024 favorites. So yeah, this was the video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you do, then make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.